Hello guys, today we are back with another question. Hope you guys are doing well. And in this problem we have two curves here and we have a U domain from 0 to 1 where we have 4 points in 3-dimensional space. And the parametric surface is defined as S here as a function of U and V. And we again have a domain of U and V, same 0 to 1. And we have to draw the given two curves and the surface on the same figure. Now we will start by writing the points here. Let me just zoom in the screen a little bit. And we will also write the parametric equations here. And we will give a function call to the variable u because we are going to use this again for multiple entries, because later on we will create a matrix to solve this problem. Now we are going to write the parametric surface equation. Now let's define the surface data in terms of matrices. Now we will calculate the points on the surface. In order to calculate the points, we will use a for loop. And we will run the iteration of for loop for each value of u and v in our parametric surface equation S. We will try to get the 3 coordinates for every value, x, y and z. Now we will evaluate the curves here. For this we will use a line space from our original domain 0 to 1 and we will divide it into 100 equal parts. That's why I'm giving line space of 0, 1, 100. Now I'm using array function here. And the uniform output signifies that the values that we get are in the form of cell entries, and then we will substitute them back into our matrices in the form of arrays using cell to mat function. Now that's done. And now we will plot our first curve P here. So we will plot the curve using plot3 function. and I will give it red color. Before running this section, I would like to clear the command window, because if there is any error, we will know about it. So there is something that we are missing here. Oh yes, so we made a mistake here. We have to write R of U and U wells here. There is a minor mistake here, and now it should run. Yes, now we have our first curve in the red color. Now we'll just copy and paste this part here for our second curve, R of U. So we'll use the same function here, and we'll just substitute P with the R here. And we will give this curve a different color, like blue. Since we have both the curves, now we can move to draw the surface between these curves, because that's the actual problem we are going to solve here. Now let's plot the surface. For this we will just need to use surf command, and the reason I'm using trace alpha is because I need to give the surface some transparency, and edge color of none matte means that we have no grids on the surface. That's why I'm using edge color as none. And we forgot to put hold on there. Now if we can run this section, we can clearly see the surface that lies between these two curves. Here you can see the surface. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.